we have a collection of modules in Business Suite. It is a entire complete package of a collection of modules which an industry requires exactly to run their business in terms of human resource, in terms of financial decisions, in terms of financial recording and reporting, also logistics. Everything will be covered in Business Suite. So in Business Suite, FICO is a core module, right? So H stands for Business Suite. Then coming to 4. So 4 is the generation. It is a 4th generation Business Suite. Then what is HANA? It is highly performed analytical appliance. I'm repeating again. Highly performed analytical appliance. So now let us know the evolution of SAP. The mainframe based SAP R2 was released in 1979. As we all of us known, it is began in 1979 with a 2-tier architecture. The widely popular R3 system was released in 1992, which comprised of 3-tier architecture, which is database layer and application layer, and the final one is presentation layer, being the 3 tiers. So then in 2006, SAP actually stabilized its product with the name of ECC 6.0, which was released in 2006. Then followed by in 2015, SAP launches their advanced business suite S4HANA in 2015. Okay, so these are the R version.
Fyros, your voice is not audible. I think someone is muted.
So okay, since how long you people not getting my voice? To repeat, actually.
No, just 30 seconds.
Just 30 seconds. Right. Thank you. So you people got evolution of SAP, right? Okay, I hope you people got evolutions of SAP, which was released in 1979 to till 2015, which I covered in the previous 1 to 2 minutes. Then coming to R versions. So R version started in 1972. The first R1 system launched in 1972, and the final R3 Enterprise Edition is released in 2003. It's coming to ECC version. The first ECC 5.0 version was launched in 2004. Okay, then the final ERP 6.0, which we actually using, is in 2013. And advanced S4HANA Simple Suite launched in February 2015. So it's been almost 6 to 7 years since the S4HANA launched by SAP. So what is SAP Business Suite? The SAP Business Suite software is an integrated suite of modular application. The SAP Business Suite software is an integrated suite of modular application designed to perform essential end-to-end business processes across all the industries. The SAP Business Suite supports a broad range of processes for finance, human resources, manufacturing, procurement, product development, marketing, sales, service, supply chain management, and IT management. So it may be any requirement by the client or company. SAP has a solution in the package called Business Suite. So in terms of financial operations, human resources, manufacturing, procurement, product development, marketing, sales, supply chain management, and even IT management, everything will be offered by SAP in SAP Business Suite, right? And coming to specifying the products of SAP, the first one is, of course, the ERP 6.4, and it stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. The second one is SAP CRM 7.0, Customer Relationship Management. SAP SRM, Supplier Relationship Management, which controls the module. SAP SCM, Supply Chain Management. It is also comes in SAP module. SAP PLM, Product Lifecycle Management. Right. So now, most important part. Also, it will be we going to get the question in interview also about what are the differences between SAP ECC HANA and S4 HANA. So all these three are different. SAP ECC is different, HANA is different, S4 HANA is different. Okay. So ECC is a ERP central component. We have multiple versions since 5.0 to 7.0. Okay, this is the ERP which we actually learning currently, and I hope everybody has a decent understanding on ECC. This is a core of existing business suite. So SAP Business Suite has SAP ECC plus SAP SRM, CRM, SCM, and PLM as well. So SAP ECC is a part of Business Suite, right? ECC is a one aspect of the Business Suite. It has multiple aspects, multiple solutions, multiple modules, out of which ECC is one of the aspect, one of the module. So SAP Business Suite can run on any database such as Oracle, MS SQL, IBM, DB2, including HANA. So earlier, ECC is dependent on the third-party databases which called Oracle, MS SQL, IBM, DB2, when including HANA. It is not independent. So ECC always depends on any other third-party database provider in the market, right? So now, what is HANA? SAP HANA is a RDBMS like Oracle, MS SQL, DB2. So RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. So in a three-tier architecture, database layer, application layer, presentation layer. So in ECC, every configuration will be done in application layer, and the final production server, the end user entry posting transactions will be done in presentation layer. Ultimately, every entire data will be stored in the database layer. So in ECC, the database layer will be any other database providers in the market, such as Oracle, MS SQL, DB2. So likewise, SAP actually launched its own database called HANA, stands for Highly Performed Analytical Appliance. HANA is an in-memory column-oriented database. HANA is in-memory. It means it is a RAM, random access memory oriented database. It won't take time for fetching the data from the any other database. So always insist in the software itself. Okay, so HANA is a SAP's own database, as I told you. So this is the structure, how it is works. So now SAP S4HANA. So what is SAP S4HANA? We covered what is ECC and what is HANA, and now we are moving to know S4HANA. SAP S4HANA is SAP's next generation business suite. It's meant to replace SAP ECC ERP with a simplified tool designed specifically to work with SAP HANA. Okay, it is a business suite, a collection of multiple services offered. Means to replace SAP ECC ERP. HANA replaces the ERP ECC version. SAP S4HANA is short for SAP Business Suite SAP HANA, meaning that is the fourth version of SAP Business Suite, but is designed to run only on SAP HANA, right? So SAP S4HANA is exclusively work on HANA database only. It won't work in any other third-party databases. S4HANA stands for Business Suite SAP HANA. The backend application layer runs on only HANA database, as we have already come across this topic. And the front end will be developed with SAP UI5 Fiori. So we have a good knowledge on three-tier architecture. In the three-tier